Let us make eggless churros basket with Italian style hot chocolate. Hello and welcome to Spoiled by Coco. My name is Apurvi and in this channel I share with you eggless recipes. So let's get baking. In a pan add 100 ml water, 25 gram caster sugar, 100 ml milk, 28 gram butter. Put it over medium flame and mix until the butter gets dissolved. Then switch off the flame and add 100 grams all-purpose flour. Mix it with a spatula until a dough is formed. Keep in mind while mixing that no lump should get formed, so you have to be quick in this step. Mix till the dough leaves the pan and a ball is formed. Then transfer this churros dough into a piping bag with star nozzle tip. Use double piping bag as single piping bag may tear. Then on a baking paper, I am going to pipe my churros as this makes it easier to shape them and fry in one go. This way I can pipe my churros in a basket shape easily. First I am going to pipe the base for the basket. 3 to 4 spiral will give me a nice base. Then I'll pipe the border spiral one over another, giving the height for making basket. You can also make one ring at a time. Then with your fingertips press gently to make the ends meet. Also, there should be no space between the two vertical ropes of churros dough as this will not hold our hot chocolate inside it. Reshape it if required. Likewise, make all the churros basket and let rest for 2 minutes. It will make it easier to lift them for frying. Before frying, I am going to mix some 60 grams of caster sugar and half teaspoon cinnamon powder in a bowl in 2:1 ratio and keep aside to coat our fried churros later. Fry churros in a low flame to let them cook from inside and become crispy from outside. Drop the churros till fully submerged in oil and let them fry. They should rise above themselves slowly. If it looks like the base of churros basket is separating or is lifting up from one side, take it out when half cooked and press the base with the back of a spoon. Then fry till golden in color. Transfer to the kitchen paper and let the excess oil get absorbed. Coat the outside of the basket well with cinnamon sugar. Please give a video a thumbs up if you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel. Also, do not forget to turn on the bell icon so that you can get notified each time I share a new recipe. Let us now make Italian style hot chocolate. In a bowl, first mix corn flour with 2 tablespoons of milk from 250 ml and keep aside. Then in a pan add rest of the milk, 18 gram caster sugar, 1 tablespoon cocoa powder. Mix well with a whisk till cocoa powder is dissolved on low-medium heat. No lumps should get formed. Add 1/4 teaspoon of coffee powder and mix it well. Coffee is a secret ingredient. It will enhance our chocolate flavor. Once it comes to simmer, add 65 grams of dark chocolate. I am using callets. You can use the chopped chocolate. Let the chocolate melt on low heat. Once our chocolate is melted, add corn flour mixture and mix. Cook the mixture on low heat and it will thicken up in few minutes. Once thickened, sieve the drink to get rid of any lumps if there are. Then pour this sieved drink back in the pan and cook till it simmers. Move it with the help of a spatula so that our chocolate does not get burned. Pour the delicious hot chocolate in a cup and serve with Eggless Churros basket. Let us fill our churros basket with hot chocolate. Top it up with some whipped cream. Our Eggless Churros basket with Italian style hot chocolate is ready to warm you up this winter. Bite into hot chocolate filled churros basket and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Spoiled by Coco.